started raining last night. Got some wind. We're down here checking on everything. So far, the barn is not flooding yet. We've got some rain coming in the way the wind's blowing. But the barricade, you guys, I think is working. But it is not downpouring, so we'll just see. I think she's going to be here for a couple of days. The other barricade up top of the hill is holding water, and this is directing it this way. So it will go, hopefully, that way and not that way. But we will flood in the barn because it holds water right there. So we got to get some cement. It just goes under the barn, and we need some gutters. This is holding up. Normally this will start getting wet. We do got some water in this stall starting. It's coming in from out there, but this is our normal areas if we have big storms where it'll flood. So far, what Jamie did is helping. We've got a few days of this. Chickens are all good. They're liking it in here. Good morning. They're dry. We're fixing to go out and feed everybody, check on everybody. I did notice Juniper, one of the young Mustangs, seems a bit nervous. So I may bring her in and then just keep an eye on flooding. If it starts to flood, I'll have to just put her back out or put her in a different stall that's not flooding. Or if they start seeing tornadoes. I know those tornadoes south of us during the night. I don't know about here. I think right here is just rain and some wind. If they start saying bad weather, I'm putting her back out. Water holes really filling in and flooding. Horses are starting to come up. They know we're down here. Oh, here comes Junie. Come on, June! Come on, Junie! Come on, Cooper! Come on! Hi, cuties! Hi! She's already looking at me like, what's wrong with her? And my jacket makes noise, so that'll be fun. Here is your halter. Good morning, everybody. Cute Cooper. My jacket. Ow, he just tried to bite me. Now you have to get all wet. Defeated the whole purpose of the rain jacket. Do you want a treat?
She won't eat a treat.
Oh yeah, sorry. Come on, pretty girl. There you go. Sport. Gator. Monty. Everybody seems good. Good girl. Good morning. Come on. I got you over here, big girl. is this big puffy jacket I got on. Maybe my hat too, because I haven't worn this hat in a long time. I usually wear my visor, but this makes noise. Guess we gotta do some jacket desensitizing. You learn what you need to work on when the weather changes. Somebody's bringing their horse in and fusses at me for babying the horses. It's all in all not bad out here though, guys. This could be so much worse. We will definitely keep you updated on the flooding though. That's my main concern. If it keeps raining for days that they're talking about. Something else we could do is clean buckets during this nasty weather. Monty, you good? Gator, y'all good? Everybody seems very happy. No one is stressing. Hey, cutie. Monty's our other Mustang. He's been here we've had him now, I think 3 years. He came from Oregon, but he's been in the South now for, I think, 3 or 4 years. Come on, Wildy. Monty. Everybody's checking to see if anybody left some grain behind. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty Wildy. Have to keep a close eye on the weather if it calls for any kind of bad storms coming. Tornadoes. I'll have to get down here and let these guys out. Let me show y'all what I mean by they'd rather be outside. This stall has a run, so does Wildy's. And you see where River and Wildy are hanging out in the rain. So they have option to come in, but they're gonna hang out there. That's what I mean, like the horses don't mind being out in this weather. Good thing we got a big barn for these kids to play in. Ride their bike. We got one riding his bike, one playing basketball, one roping. Here's Mr. Cooper. His stall don't have, hey buddy, hi, a run. So it's a big stall though, so he's got a lot of area to move. Hi. Hey, baby. You don't seem stressed out either. We got Miss Junie hanging out. Her stall, too, does not have a run out. So, but it's a big stall. Hey, I know I got the jacket on. She's like, I don't know about you. Hi. You're doing a good job. This way she kind of gets a break from the wind. She's never experienced a tropical storm. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Get you guys some hay. Good girl. Good girl. Even with that glove on. He lets you pet him? Gotta be gentle. Let's get him some hay. Back up, baby.
I need to pet him.
There you go. You don't want no hay? You don't want no hay? You already ate your breakfast.
Hello. Watch, Dan.
Good job, buddy. Be nice and slow.
What is he doing?
He's making a mess.
Why? For?
Because he's a baby. He's a horse. He likes to watch us work. Hi, cutie. All the chickens are good and happy. So those are our meat chickens. Our laying hens are also, and our roosters are also doing really good. They're in the other barn, but their area, they have like roosts and stuff they can get up if they need to. These guys don't do that. They're just mentally different. They're just not as smart as the laying hens and stuff and the roosters. So we move them over here for now because we'll be getting them processed probably in the next week or so. Once this passes, then we'll be starting that. You gonna eat that hay now? You just want treats. I know what you want. He loves treats. Juniper won't eat any treats. He's just a big goofball. Yeah, Miss. I'm a cutie though. You have to watch him. He'll nip. They both will nip, but he nips even more. Hey, River. Hey, he is him. He was so funny bringing him in because we made that like wall in front of the gate because he was in the arena because there's so much grass out there. And I was trying to get him to walk over it, but I was trying to walk close to the fence, did not step all in it. And he was walking exactly where I was walking. So he was up against the fence right behind me instead of walking in the better path. He's so goofy. The wind just shifted again. Now it's coming from a different direction. And the reason why he came in is he saw me over here and I threw him some hay. Which I wasn't going to, but I felt bad. He needed some hay too. Really? Wildy, she's still out there. And she's got hay in her stall too, but she'd much rather be out there. So that is our morning this morning. We still got a few things we're finishing up. But horses are all good and taken care of. Everybody's good. Everybody's got water. The ones inside's got hay. Outside, everybody's got plenty of grass, water. Everybody is good. The barn is doing great. We will definitely see how it goes. If it's gonna do this for days, the barn's not gonna be great. But it won't be as bad, I think, as we were thinking it could be. But, I mean, things could change. We'll just have to keep an eye on this storm and how she just hovers and how much water she dumps on us. So, but we're going to keep y'all updated. So we will see you in the next one, guys. Are you serious right now? Silly boy. He's so cute though. So cute.